Good morning everyone, welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. Also, I was just thinking maybe I shouldn't say good morning to start my videos because you could be watching this at any time. What if I upload the video at noon? You never know. Anyway, it's morning for me here. It is 8:45 and I have just been digging through my emails, finally finished that up, and I'm gonna work on a little bit of editing because we're actually going to be away from the desk for most of the day today. Today is Friday and I have a really fun girls' day planned with Tara, which I'm really looking forward to. This week has felt so long to me for some reason, so I cannot tell you how relieved I am to have the weekend here. So needed. But definitely want to get a head start to the day. That's why I got out of bed a little bit earlier than I usually do, because I am going to be out for at least most of the day, if not, really the rest of the day. Not sure what Conor and I have planned for tonight. Probably just a nice chill day at home. I mean chill evening at home. And I can't wait to take you guys along for what Tara and I have planned for today because it's going to be a lot of fun. And with that in mind, I'm going to take advantage of this next hour-ish of time that I have here and get some editing done. Got the rough edit of my vlog done, so feeling very solid about that. I can sort of leave it there, which means I'll be able to join Tara because she is touring a couple apartments. If you don't watch her vlogs, basically she's selling her house in LA and she's going to be renting for a little while. So she has been touring different places the past couple of weeks, and I am joining her for some tours today. Her first one is in about 40 minutes, so I do need to get moving here. There is no time to dawdle, but I think I'm just gonna do quick little makeup. Basically what I did in my last vlog, if you saw that, just a little bit of concealer, some mascara, eyebrows, really quick and basic. That way it doesn't take too long. I don't need anything crazy for today. Trying to be better, guys, about putting on my sunscreen. By the way, I saw a couple questions on that vlog where I showed that oil and cleanser that I've been using from the Face Shop. And I just talked, if you missed it, the summary is that I don't wash my face regularly. I don't wash my face every day because I actually find that it makes me break out. I've tried a million different cleansers, all natural, prescribed, even all the way to Cetaphil, which is one of the most gentle cleansers you can use. And washing my face every single day or multiple times a day just doesn't do the best for my skin, which is funny because obviously we all grow up hearing that you should wash your face every day. And certainly if that's what works for you, you should. But for me, it doesn't. So I was talking a little bit about when I use my cleansers, and I saw a couple comments being wait, I don't understand. You don't wash your face every day? We need a more in-depth skincare routine. So I just wanted to gauge from you guys, is that something that everyone is interested in? Because I can show that in an upcoming vlog, just really dive into what I really do. So let me know if that's something that you guys would want to see. Look at this ridiculous sit I have right here. Why are you there? Why are you there? I really don't get sits in random places on my face like that. I always get them along my jawline here. You can see there, over here, sometimes a little bit up here, but mostly my acne stays here because 90% of my acne is hormonal, and you break out along your jawline a lot from hormonal acne. So anyway, it always freaking annoys me when I get a random little zit somewhere. I've been feeling like I want to try some new makeup products lately. I really haven't gotten anything new in my routine in actually a pretty long time, other than that mascara and the e.l.f. eyebrow. But yeah, I want to try some new face stuff, some new eyeshadows. So if there's anything that you guys are loving right now, let me know, because I think I'm going to do a sort of makeup haul pretty soon too. Go to Sephora or Ulta or something and just load up on some stuff, because yeah, I just feel like I need a little refresh. Highlighters would love. I'm thinking that I want to try the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, so I'm pretty set on that. Let me know if there's something else that you really love, because I am intrigued to try some new stuff. It has been a long time since I've done a makeup refresh. I'm actually very excited to show you guys the outfit that I have in my mind today as well. We are going to have to see if it looks as good on as I hope it does, but if it does, I am very excited. Okay, we have a couple packages here, one of which has what I want to wear today in it. I really don't even remember what this is. Got an Amazon gift card for my birthday and I just spent it immediately, of course. Oh yeah, these are sort of funky. I was thinking for Coachella, but also maybe I'll wear these today. I don't know, it depends on how they look on me. These are an experiment, so if they look terrible, it's fine. But I got these sort of 70s vibe tinted sunglasses. Yeah, probably not. Let me take a photo of myself so I can like look. No, I already know. No, it's just not working for me. It's not working. It's not working. I do want like a cool pair of like yellow or orange tinted glasses like that, but these are not. These are not the ones, so these will get returned. This, on the other hand, I have high hopes for. This is the like infamous Amazon workout set that has been all over TikTok and a million other places. So I got it in this nice creamy color. So it's this white bralette and then these white biker shorts, and I have an idea for how I want to style these with these really cool funky shoes that Conor got me for my birthday, which look like this. They're from Madewell, and I think they're so cool. He said he saw like a girl on a plane while he was traveling one of the past couple weeks wearing these, and like had to ask her where they were from because he was like, I bet Jill would look really cool in these. So very funny and very sweet, and yeah, I think they're very cool. They give me like retro workout shoe vibes, so I was thinking that like this could be a cool little combo, maybe with some high socks. I don't know exactly. We're gonna try this on and try to create an outfit together. Okay, here is the set. Absolutely obsessed with this. Definitely going to be wearing this like out of the house like I am today, and also for workouts. I think it's so cute. It fits amazingly. It's soft. I'm gonna need to buy this in like every color. I am so obsessed. And now for the shoes. Here they are. I tried them on both ways with like tall socks and short socks so I could get a vibe of both. Really into the shoes with this look. I think they look really cool, but I'm conflicted over which socks to go with. Or, you know what, I say we just commit to the retro thing, do the high socks. I'm not totally obsessed with them, but I feel like who cares? I think it looks cool, so let's just go for it. Okay, so this is sort of the finished look. I think I like it. We're really leaning into the retro vibe, a little bit 80s, you know, with the tall socks workout set, but I like it. The only thing that's bothering me is that you can see this seam in my underwear here, but all of my seamless underwear is not clean, so we're just rolling with it. Threw this on because it's going to be a little bit chillier today. That way I have a little something warmer, and I need to head out like right now to go meet up with Tara, so we are off. Bestie. Oh my god, this looks so good. All right, we stopped in for lunch at Lemonade. Also, I haven't even like spoken to my vlog with you here, so hello. Welcome to the vlog. We decided it was a perfect day for Lemonade, and we haven't been in so long, so I got, these are some sort of like soba and kimchi noodles. This is the pineapple chicken, and then a little broccoli. And of course, we had to get a truffle mac. We're gonna share this. Looks so good. And then I got like half regular lemonade, half the cucumber mint lemonade.
Oh, yum.
Yeah, it's very good.
It looks delicious.
We are back in the car now. Lemonade was absolutely delicious.
The mac and cheese.
Hit the spot, and now we're heading out to our next activity of the day. We are actually going over to Silver Lake because we are getting these matching permanent friendship bracelets. Permanent! They literally get welded onto your wrist, so they are not coming off.
No, we are very secure in this love affair that we have.
Yes.
That we're permanently bonded.
Yes, we are ready for...
May as well get tattoos next.
Yeah, right? That'll be next step.
I'm not opposed.
Me neither.
I feel like we should learn how to stick and poke each other.
Oh, I like it. We can just buy one of the kits on...
Right? That's so bad. The fact that Amazon even has these kits.
Oh yes, I'm leaving. Sorry. Thank you. I was like, is someone yelling at me?
Look at the beach. It's a beautiful day.
Well, it is saying 51 minutes now.
Oh, that's fine.
We gotta get on the road. Let's go. We saw him like trotting down the hallway. So cute. Hello, little pup. So good. So tiny.
I was also wondering I know that there's work.
Alright, see how that feels.
Oh, that's perfect.
Better? Yeah.
Yes, I love that.
So cute.
I'm so excited.
Really hard to see it on camera, but it does.
Oh. Nice zap.
One and done? One and done.
Wow.
It just makes me giggly when I
Me
think about
too.
this.
The bracelets are on.
Permanent bracelets. This is why I want to take off all of my
I know,
other
right?
ones.
So that you can like properly see.
Yeah.
This is it right here. Look how cute. Forever.
Forever.
Oh, I love it. It fits in so well with all the other jewelry.
Besties forever.
Forever. Yep.
Even if we're
I'm
not,
so happy.
it'll be on the bracelet.
Yep.
The bracelet will still be on.
Exactly.
But I'm not really worried about
Yeah.
that.
No, they said you can literally cut it off with like normal scissors.
Oh my god.
Like at home.
Okay, so worst case.
Yeah.
You're getting
a
cut.
snip.
Snip, bitch.
The song.
Heather!
Every time. I'm like, I need to take this music off of my phone.
I kind of like it though.
I love it.
I love it.
Hey,
Oh
little
god.
Billy.
Usually I'm good at singing. Lately it's been coming out a little scratchy.
Usually you're good at singing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I didn't know this fact about you.
Yep. Well,
Interesting.
Now you know. I'm a singer.
She's a singer,
I
everyone.
just look a little scratchy right now.
Yeah, I get it. This lighting is interesting. I don't know, is it better if we just go full sun? Probably for you guys, not great for me, but anyway, just dropped Tara off and I am heading home now and we will see what the rest of this night brings. Honestly, I'm gonna go back and get a little bit of work done. I want to clear out my email again and finish up that vlog that I started this morning. I just need to add like music and stuff. That way that's ready to go for Monday. I think that's everything that I'm gonna do work-wise, and we'll see what Connor's up to and what we decide to do with our evening. So I'll keep you in the loop. Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday.
Yeah.
Sorry I dropped off on Friday. I had every intention of vlogging more that night, but we ended up going out with a friend. And yeah, it just didn't happen. But it's Sunday now, and instead of going to the farmer's market, we are going to Trader Joe's to pick up some stuff for the day. We have some yummy meals in mind, which we're really looking forward to. So figured I would bring you along for whatever we end up making.
Are you gonna tell them what we're thinking?
No, I think I'm gonna wait.
Good, good.
Keep it a surprise.
It's gonna be yummy though.
Build the suspense.
Yeah.
All right, we have loaded up on so much stuff here, you guys. It is insane. Poor Connor's been having to carry this around. All right, back from Trader Joe's, and I have to show you all the goodies that we got, because there's a lot of them. First up here, baguette. Of course, I had to get one since we're not going to the farmer's market, and they were so soft. It felt so good. Also got this sliced focaccia bread, because for lunch we're going to make grilled cheese. Got the dark chocolate pretzels, which are always so good. Bacon olive crisps, because we got some cheese to snack on. This is something new, which means we have to try it immediately. Crispy, crunchy, spicy mochi rice nuggets. I love like little rice crisps, and these sounded so good. Oh god, love it. Connor got some pretzels. He loves pretzels. I don't really get the hype, but you know. And then these are Connor's favorite little candy from Trader Joe's. Oh my god, these are spicy. Oh, they're not kidding. It can be very hit and miss with Trader Joe's, whether things are spicy or not. When they say they are, spicy, yeah. Anyway, this is Connor's favorite candy from Trader Joe's, so I had to get a bag of that. Oh my god. Next up, this is something else that Conor picked out. I don't think that this is for me, but I don't know, maybe I'll try it. Truffle mousse pate. Pate is just like ground meat, so I don't know if that's up my alley, but he said it was really good, so maybe. And then got some tomato soup to go with our grilled cheeses that we're going to make today. Finally found these, and I'm so excited to try them. The Taiwanese green onion pancakes. Heard so many good things about these. Very, very excited to be able to try those at some point. We got this bruschetta sauce. I've heard amazing things about this, and I haven't been able to find it before, so very excited about that. And then for dinner tonight, we are going to make pizza. So we went and got some pizza dough. This is the garlic and herb crust. We have some cheese to put on there. Of course, pizza sauce. Sliced cheese for our grilled cheese. There's a lot of cheese in here. 2 different kinds of just cheese to snack on. It's a very cheesy day. Dutch Gouda cheese, so good. And then this is Toscano cheese with black pepper in it. Also amazing from Trader Joe's. Got some Italian dried salami. And lastly, some ice cream. We have the Ultra chocolate ice cream, and Conor wanted this peanuts for chocolate ice cream, which also looks so good. And that's the haul. It's only 10, is it 10 a.m.? No, daylight savings. I think it's 11 a.m. And so we'll probably just hang out for a little while and then dive into some of these snacks. It is 2:15 and we are finally making lunch. I'm so hungry, oh my gosh. But
That's on me.
had to wait for Conor to finish up some work.
The law never sleeps.
Anyway, we're just gonna make these grilled cheese now. And that's
Grilled cheese and Trader Joe's soup. Tomato and feta. Fuck. Yes.
Do you want to have a say in how your grilled cheese is go, or
No,
can I just go?
You're the grilled cheese guru.
Okay. Mmm.
Oh, Jilly, what are you up to?
Looking so good. Got a nice little crisp on there. It's good stuff. Check it out, guys. Grilled cheese and tomato soup. There is nothing better. And only to make our day even better, we have the new season of Drive to Survive. We watched 2 episodes last night, and I think we're probably gonna put some damage in right now, which I'm gonna be so sad about because then it's gonna be over. But I need to know what happens. It's too good.
Well, we know what happens. We need to see it all
That's true.
happen.
Yeah, I need to know like what happens behind the scenes. There was so much controversy this season.
Oh, I'm
So I'm very pumped. Next up on our eating adventure, also hello Molly Cat, just chilling down there, lounging in the middle of the floor. Anyway, we are having a cheese board now. Look at how amazing this all looks. All stuff that we picked up at Trader Joe's today, plus a little bit of fig jelly. And I thought some of the hot honey. This is also the Trader Joe's one, but it is so good. So snack, really excited. Time for our very last meal of the day, which I'm so excited for, our pizza. So I have the pizza crust out. I've been just letting it sit outside to start to soften a little bit. I also cut up some toppings and stuff, and now we're going to work on forming this into the pizza that we want. Or maybe I should do it directly on like the pizza stone. That probably makes more sense. Ooh, it's getting close. I still think it needs more time though. Check out our pizza, you guys. It looks so good. I'm so excited. We've just been letting it cool for a little bit. Now I think we're gonna cut her into slices and enjoy. Hi, Molly Cat. Hi. Good girl. You've just been having a little solo day. Barely seen you.
Yeah, right.
Well, okay, bye. A little bit. Okay, I have to try a bite of the pizza.
Looks amazing.
I am very excited. Mmm,
Good?
it's so good. The crust is amazing.
Yeah.
Mmm.
This dough looked, what was it, basil and herb?
No, it was like garlic and herb.
Yeah.
Amazing. Hitting the spot. Wow. I'm actually very impressed. What you think?
No.
Yummy, right?
Really good.
So good. Well, friends, I am here to end the vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, enjoyed seeing a little bit of my weekend. I always love when I get to bring you along for some stuff, and today was so good. So much yummy food, and I'm so full. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video.